I'm Nani and this is my channel. Welcome. Comments, like and subscribe. Behind me you see that there's a black computer. Why? Poof! Finished. It works no more. I have to buy a new one. Very expensive. Poor me. Anyway, today we continue with the Unimog and we do the interiors. And this is what I have done up to now. And this is what you will see in this video. I show you how I make these kind of things. Thank you very much for... Ma che cazzo gli dico? Gli dico che ho fatto, c'è sta pilota, che braccia, e poi c'è sta, che c'è sta ancora, che gli dico, ma che gli dico, enjoy the slideshow. This is what I say. And here we are. The work for the interiors is at this point. I have made, have you seen in the slideshow, I have made the interior case. Now I have to make some definitions. Seats and the dashboard, obviously, with instruments, with light. And here there's a piece that it is very difficult to do. It's the engine cover, and it is very moved. It has a lot of different forms for the head of the cylinders, for the carburetors, and this cover follows all the engine. I would like to do something very similar, and I thought that different materials, starting from this plastic, carving, gluing, it's too difficult. Then I thought to paper, quite thick paper, wetted, then formed, but it's not good. The last material I thought is this is styrene. I don't know, I write the name in English. In Italian we call polistirolo. It's very light, very easy to work, and I have to do something that goes here in, and that has the right shape, or the best shape that I can do. So now I will start modeling this part, then I make seats, or perhaps I begin to do the dashboard. Comments, like and subscribe, please. I have completed the lights. You see, these two are blue, and it looks like a toy. These are the original Tamiya LED. I don't like them at all. I have put a LED inside for the instruments, and this is my side lamp that works. Rear we have red lights, of course. Now I have to change these two LEDs. I want the yellow one. Let's change. Okay. Done. Look. You can see. Pack. Much more better. You can see the light inside. Now we jump inside the car. To work, we have to do the dashboard. I show you. Switch the light off. Turn the camera down. Perfect. This way. Turn the camera down not too much. Okay. Take out the body. And for the lights, the body is a little bit difficult to take off. First of all, disconnect the battery. Second, the light battery. Third, disconnect from the radio, and this one. Okay. This is because the interiors are not fixed to the body. They are fixed on the chassis. This is the inside. Take apart. And what have I done until now? I have made this covered with vinyl glue, so I can paint, and it has it seems like resin. It was in resin. Then we have the part under the dashboard. This is black because there's an opening, oval opening for you have to put something inside, and this is covered with this aluminum tape from 3M, and this is because I don't want the light to spread around, just into the instruments. Then I have painted the rear part of the body color. I mounted with 2 screws on this. And for stabilizing, there's this pivot here under, using, you see, yes, and this. Now we have to finish the dashboard, then seats, fix this, fix, okay. In Italian is fissare, so in English fix, for us Italian means fissare, but fixing is repairing. Okay, to put this here, 5 gear level, and the steering wheel, and of course the pilot. It's quite a long work, then painting inside and so on. Let's start from the dashboard. I don't want to bore you with the work, so we will make a very nice slideshow. Comments, like, and subscribe. Remember, And now 2 words about a new improvement. I have to build the cap for the transmission shift. Focus, where is it? And I thought that this could be enough, this thermo shrinking. But during the night I had a better idea. If I combine 2 kinds of thermo shrinking, this that is bigger, I can do this and plus this. This is a perfect cap. This is nice but too thin. So the way to do this, you have this one that is the same size of the lever. Then you warm up just the tip. Okay. Then you cut, and here you have this that is very similar. This, the old one, has to be shortened because this hole is a little bit larger. Then we finish to thermo shrink. Then we pull it up. Then we mount the bigger one. Wonderful. Tick. Look at this. This is very nice. And for today, this is all. We are arrived here. These are the interiors. Next step, next video, and the last one on this Unimog. Seats and pilot. Pilot, I have in mind something nice. By now, thank you very much for looking at my video, for subscribing, for comment, for like, and what can I say else? Up to the next. Bye bye and stay safe.